Hola, hola, hola. Hayi vele ke tlo itshwere NFP vandag mfethu. Phela NFP ke die Olympics tsa die Forex trader.
Hello guys, so today is Friday the 8th of March 2024 and I'm going to be trading NFP. So let's jump right into the analysis for the NFP. Over here the market created like a double top, broke the double top, it's come down, came to retest that double top, the break of it, and then came down. Okay, but another thing that we can see is 1, 2, touch. Okay, now what the market cannot do is create a third touch here without it like touching, creating like a third touch here. So this would be like first touch, second touch, so it has to create like a third touch. Okay, and then come down, create this third touch right here, then to go back up. All right, cool. But what I can already see, guys, is that the market is actually like it approached this major sensitive area. So I would like to see the dollar index go up, okay, from that area. So that's like the long-term analysis. Now let's look at the 4-hour. Drop down to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, guys, I want to see, like, I need confluences that the market is actually going up. All right, if the market is going up, it needs to draw like reversal patterns here, a reversal pattern. So a reversal pattern would be like a double bottom, triple bottom, and so on. This line right here, it's a very important line to me. Okay, so this line, if the market breaks this line and then breaks down here, breaks that area and then come back up, retest it to go down before 3 p.m. today, then it will signal to me that we're really going down. But then if the market just comes up from that area, you know, comes up, then it's signaling to me that we're really going up. Okay, so now what I'm seeing today on the dollar index, it further validates why the dollar index didn't bounce up from this area right here. This past week, I think it was on Monday, I was anticipating the market to go up, but no, it actually went down. I'm gonna move this. I'd like to move this here. This is just an alert. Okay, so when the market crosses that area, it will signal to me. So I believe that the dollar index is going up. Anything that is USD it will buy. All right, anything that is USD will sell. So that's my bias for these NFPs. But then we can't just take like analysis from just one thing and then just go with it, you know. I have to look at like other pairs. Now let's look at USD CHF. So the way that I trade, like, I like to look at the chart and see exactly what is happening. Honestly speaking, I'm not seeing anything on USD CHF. Like, I'm really not seeing anything, so I'm just gonna skip that. I'm not gonna trade that. And then USDJPY. Yeah, I actually see the market bouncing and going up. Let me just check. Yeah. I see it, guys. I see it. I really, really see it going up from this area. GBP USD, guys. Let's see if it's selling. Let's look on the daily chart. Let's see what's happening. Long term. I guess one good again Zagalani. I guess you won good again Zagalani. Guys, yesterday I actually did not trade because I had to go to the clinic. I needed medical attention. And thing is, the money that I had, I just wanted to trade with it today. Yeah, I wanted to trade with it today. So I had to go to the clinic and get like free medical care. I got bitten by a spider. But it's good now. They gave me antibiotics and allergics. So I should be good. Yeah, guys. No. I see it. I see it happening. Now, I don't know if you guys remember from last week, but last week I blew my account. Was it 2 weeks ago? I can't really remember. I blew my account trading NASDAQ, US 30 and US 100. But mina ngiyongena futhi namhlanje. Phezu another day, another dollar. Asamba sibabona. Tip. Okay, I don't know what they say after that. So, I actually see this happening. I'm gonna have my TP here. I'm so scared of trading I'm so scared of trading USD, US 30 and US 100. But I feel like it's going up, guys. So that's my analysis for NFP. I'll give you guys an update. Okay, right now I'm just going to go and bath, and then if you guys know NFP, like, you'll know that things could change. You know, things have the potential of changing like real quick. So maybe I'm also gonna allow the market to reveal itself. If that's what the market wants to do today, it will do that. If it's not what the market wants to do today, it won't do that. So I'm just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. Right now, I'm actually gonna go take a bath, and hopefully by right now it is it's 22 p.m. and then I'm going to go take a bath, and then after taking my bath After taking my bath, then I will come back and sit here and see what's going, you know. And then also maybe let's jump into like the whole NFP thing. I will show you guys what news are there today. Let me just open the economic calendar on Bloomberg. Leave a comment in the description box and tell me like which site do you use for the economic calendar. I use Bloomberg. What do you use? So these are today's news, guys. So I have the times converted to South African time. So today's Friday, the 8th of March, 2024. Today at 3:30 p.m. NFP. So yeah, right now I'm going to bath, okay? Because I didn't bath in the morning, guys. Like I bath late, okay? I bath like just before my work shift. So right now I'm just going to take a bath, and also I just came back from the Joburg market to go buy like stuff for my meal prep. I will vlog myself doing meal prep, so yeah, you guys will see that tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to have, you know, let me not say I don't know if I'm just gonna create the content that I want to create. Also, leave a comment in the description box and tell me if I was right or if I was wrong, if you traded NFP, if you were following, you know. So yeah, I think the next time I pick up the camera, I will be trading NFP. Hey guys, so I've taken a bath and everything, and you know what, like I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to doubt my entries, you know, because I've already entered, but I'm starting to doubt my damn entries. And I don't know, I don't like feeding this way. I honestly do not like feeding this way, but I'm gonna stick to my original analysis because that's the only way I will get like accurate results. Hi guys, hi. The Olympics of Forex traders, NFP. Hi guys, I think I'm getting chopped by the market, hey? Low-key news. Why did GBP/USD move first? But then it kind of makes sense for GBP/USD to go up, guys, because when you look at, and you know what happened right now is a typical example why I actually don't like trading with channels. I don't like channels because of this exact same bomber clock team, man. I actually like my reaction to like these trades. So let's see what's happening. Let me tell you guys like a little backstory about me trading. So I've always been one of those traders that are really, really afraid of losing money. So like this year is that first year where I blow, I fund, I blow, I fund, I blow, I fund, I blow, I fund. Like, this is not me, guys. This is really not me, honestly speaking. Like, funding, like, multiple accounts, like, this is not me. Like, I'm more of like, I don't have an appetite for risk. So usually what I would do is that I would stay away from the market during NFP, CPI, you know, and that sort of thing. But like lately, I don't know, maybe it's the hunger, guys. I guess 3 minutes left. Aye. Market is chopping me today, Bruce. Hey, market is chopping me. Hey. Hi. Market is chopping me. I don't wanna lie, guys. The market is gonna chop me. You know, I can already see it, hey? I think I don't want to change my bias now because I won't get accurate results. I really will not get any accurate results if I change my bias right now. Let's see on the 5 minute what's happening. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Signal was sent in the group. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. I'm like, those guys. Knew it. Okay, let me not get excited. Maybe it's still too early. What do you wanna do? Market is chopping me, guys. Market is flipping, chopping me. I chopped by the market. Chopped by the damn market, guys. Chopped, hey? Chopped. Right. Isn't those a trader? Okay, but it's not a bad thing, guys. Okay, but it is. Let me not make myself feel better with nonsense, okay? But yeah. Still moving, guys. Yo.
I sent you a message like I think 2 minutes before that. Yeah, I want with
me dog, I entered. Like, yo, I entered, dog. I chopped me, bro. Chopped.
Spiky. When you spiky already?
Keep on, lady. Hey. And for a moment, it went into my direction. Maybe for one man.
Yeah, it did.
4 seconds.
Yeah, a few seconds. Yeah, a few seconds. I saw it. A few seconds.
Hey.
And then it just spiked back into the normal, into its initial direction.
Yeah, into its initial direction. But Manja, there's probably a reason why. There's a reason why, dog. I'm just gonna study the market tomorrow. What was the reason?
But it's basically what you said. With last year March, this is what happened. So, I mean, I had that in the back of my mind. But okay, because I couldn't tell which direction is this thing going in.
Yeah.
I honestly couldn't.
Because you know what happened last year in March, Vin? What happened is that if the market was going down, Youngton, it didn't correct itself and show which direction we're going. It just continued to that side. You thought. That means that's what the market does, like a match. Youngton. Yeah, basically.
In a nutshell.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow is that I'm gonna backtest like March 2022 and see what happened, you got. Because right now, yeah, dude, there's a reason for this, man. There's a reason for this. But at the same time, I'm looking at USD JPY. It's reversing, dog. Next week we're going up. Hello everybody, welcome to week 11. I think that's how I'm going to introduce these. Week 11, week 12, 13, 14. So today's the 12th of March 2024 and it's Monday, and I want us to jump into the market because I've identified like a few things that I have been actually looking out for since yesterday, and I see that they're actually happening. I don't know if you've watched my trading NFP vlog. I'm linking it up there if you guys haven't watched it. All right. So basically in my NFP vlog, these were my this was my analysis, right? This was my bias. And then on GBP USD, and then this was my bias on the dollar index. I don't know if I traded USD CHF. Okay, I didn't. I know I traded, was it US 100? Yeah, as well as US 100. All right. US 30. US 30 actually, not US 100. My bad. But I want us to look at those charts right now, and I want to start with the dollar index, right? So during NFP, guys, my prediction was that the market was going to go up, right? But the market did not go up. Instead, they all went in the opposite direction. So over the weekend, I sat down and I looked at what might have caused that, right? I was able to identify a few things. The market had to reach a few. Right now, looking at the chart, yesterday I did not trade. Yesterday was Monday. I did not trade. Today is Tuesday. I intend on placing trades, but I will not place trades right now in the morning because it's actually like 9:18 a.m. I'm not going to trade London session, but I'm going to trade New York session. And I'm going to trade New York session because I genuinely believe that by New York session, the market would have corrected itself in such a way where it's ready to move into the direction that I had intended it moving, all right? But also, if the market does not do that today, Wednesday's midweek reversal, the market might actually move in those directions. So right now, I'm just waiting to see if the market will show me it needs to give me signals that it's ready to move into the direction that I had intended it moving. So I just wanted us to see how far the market is. For all of those of you guys that are asking, yes, I blew my account again. Okay, but I didn't blow my main account this time. I still have that account going on. Now I want us to look at USD JPY. Still looking from the 4-hour chart, because if you guys remember from last week, I said that I want to start also looking at the 4-hour chart, because the 4-hour chart has its own accuracy, especially when it comes to like the patterns that the market is drawing. All right, cool. So you can already see on the 4-hour chart, this was yesterday. Let's see what time this candlestick. This is the 3 a.m. candlestick, guys. Let's check on the 1-hour chart what is happening. Okay, cool. Let us zoom in, right? If you didn't watch the backtest with me video, I'm also linking it up there, because right now the technique that I'm going to use is the order block technique that I actually backtested in that video. So basically, this is my order block. Okay, so the market is printing candlesticks that are bullish, but then in that mist there is a bearish candlestick. So that is my order block. Another one of my order blocks, guys, is this one. All right, that one right there, because same thing even there. And the order block that is really special is the one that aligns with the neckline. So basically in this case, there really isn't one that like really aligns with the neckline, that falls on the neckline. When it's like this, guys, there's more information that we have to look at, right? So right here, there's like the inequality, the inefficiency that the market needs to fill. All right, so I would like to see the market come down into here and then go back up. All right, but also the market came down in with this wick, and then now it looks like it's going up. So that could be the move. All right, so we don't rush the market, guys. We do not rush the market. Okay, what we do right now, we go back to our 1-hour chart. We go back to our 1-hour chart. You know what, F it, I'm gonna take this trade. But I feel like the market has already created that move where like the market has moved into the best price, and now it's like literally just going up. Should I enter? Should I not? You know what, let me just put an alert at, let's do this area right here. Now, let's look at the dollar index. With the dollar index, guys, the market is just, it hasn't given me an indication that it's ready to shoot up. All right, that's the 4-hour chart. This is the 1-hour chart. Still hasn't given me anything that will indicate to me that we are going up. All right, but the market could be just continuing to the upside, right? So the market moves in impulse correction, impulse correction. So this is the impulse, this is the correction, this is the impulse, this could be the correction, and then it's getting ready to impulse. So if it's getting ready to impulse, guys, I would rather get in to this correction right here, and then, you know, so basically that's just how I am looking at the dollar index. And then GBP USD, guys, it's literally getting ready to go down, in my opinion. Now let's look from the 4-hour chart, right? In my backtest with me video, I did mention that the market will create fake outs and then it will come back down, and that is the reason why you should take like areas of supply and demand, or support and resistance, as, or like the channels, right? The barriers of the channels as like the area and not just fixed price. This is a typical example of that, you know. Market came back up, it created a fake out, came back in to the channel, and now it's actually just playing inside the channel. And right now it's playing inside the channel. All right, so I would like to see the market push down a little bit more in order for me to take this trade. Like, I would like to see it pushed out. All right, so I am going to be looking out for entries in the New York session. Now let's look at USD US30. Now US30, guys, market came down, took us out, you know, but I love that it created a whole double bottom or triple bottom, 1, 2, 3, or you can look at it as 1, 2. It's going up, you know. Another thing that you should remember, guys, is that the market is never perfect. You know, the market will never be perfect. So since that is happening, you know, and this is another example of the market creating a fake out and then going back into the channel. So what I would like to see happening here is that if the market would play onto the channel and then go back up. So yeah, maybe come back to the entry point and then back up. So I'm gonna put like an alert literally right there, and then if the market calls me, man, I'll be ready to answer. 8 3 7 1 4.19. So yeah. Hi guys, so this last part of the vlog, I wanted it to be like a recap. Today is Tuesday the 19th of March. 30 minutes ago, I decided, you know what, let me open chart and let me see what is happening, okay? And I like what I saw. So I wanted to record this part of the video before the market moves further. One other thing that I want to bring to your guys' attention is that I did not like update any of my analysis. All right, so all of the analysis that I had from the time I was supposed to be trading NFP, that's the analysis that we're looking at right now. All right, so if you guys remember from like my previous video, which was the backtest with me, all right, I did mention that it is important for you to allow the market to reveal itself, you know, because sometimes the market will not do what you want it to do on that day, but within a week it will do what you needed to do, and you probably would have exited your trade, you know, or you would have, you know, done whatever. So let's look at the dollar index. The dollar index literally it went up from the area that I would have loved to see it go up from. Let me just zoom in. If you can see this area right here that I'm like stretching, okay, market literally went up from that area. It shot up from this area. Market shot up, created a little correction, continuation pattern, and then it shot up again, and it shot up to this area right here, which was my ideal take profit, but I would have loved to see it come until here, so these are like the typical things that you should look out for, and these are the things that a lot of beginner traders look at, and they're like, oh my gosh, I can trade, but I made a mistake, da 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 da. So like that's why it's important for you to trust yourself, really, really trust yourself. So let's look at USD CHF. I did mention that I wasn't liking what the market was doing, but I knew that USD CHF was gonna go up because USD CHF is a pair correlation of the dollar index. So if the dollar index goes up, USD CHF will go up. If the dollar index is going down, USD CHF will go down. So let's look at what I am saying. So let's look at the date on this day. It is the 13th of February. All right. So let's do the 14th of Feb. Market is going down from the 14th of Feb on the dollar index. Let's look at USD CHF. And the 14th of Feb is right there. Market is also going down on the 14th of Feb. So on the USD CHF on the 29th of Feb, market is going up. Let's see what's happening on the 29th of Feb on USD CHF. This is the 29th of Feb, and market did go up. So that's what I mean by USD CHF is a pair correlation of the dollar index. Let me give you guys like a little tip of what I do, or like a secret that I use. If sometimes I'm not seeing, like sometimes I do not see what is happening on USD CHF, all right, and then I will trade exactly what I saw on the dollar index. But obviously looking at, the relevant areas for USD CHF as I would have done on the dollar index. Similarly on the dollar index as I would do on USD CHF, if I see what is happening on USD CHF, I will trade exactly that on the dollar index, but looking at the relevant areas on, the dollar index. Cool. Right now I want us to look at USD JPY. This is like my favorite, by far favorite, because it literally pierced my ideal take profit area. Market went up from my ideal area. Let me just zoom into that ideal area, being this area right here that I'm zooming out, that I'm stretching out, sorry, not zooming out. So market went up from this area, retested it, went up, also retested it again, and then it shot up from there. And then today market shot up, as well as on the dollar index, as well as USD CHF. Market shot up today, shot up. Okay, not so much on the dollar index, didn't really shoot up, but yesterday market shot up, but you can see here on the dollar index that market did create pieces of price action that suggested to us that we are going up. Right, so yeah, now let's look at GBP USD, my favorite pair to trade. All right, I don't know if you guys remember, but on GBP USD I did make this little the marker in purple, okay, the highlighter in purple. I did make that prediction where I did say that the market is creating a continuation pattern to come down, and then market also created continuation patterns from this past Friday, yesterday, which was Monday, and then today it actually dropped down and then kind of came back up today too, so literally the market also came down to my ideal take profit area, So these are the things that I continuously saw happening in my trading journey, where I would exit the chart, I exit the trade, and then the market really does hit my take profit area, So I just learned how to be patient. All right, now let's look at US 30. So US 30, guys, is literally my favorite my favorite pair thus far. Well, let me not say my favorite, because not every pair is my favorite, but they all kind of have been moving the way that I had predicted that they would move, So let's start off with, I'm gonna just replay price, okay, with the dollar index, with USD CHF. I'm gonna replay price, let's say from Friday the 8th of March. So playing price on US 30, market came down, entered market right there, and then it shot up immediately from there. Didn't really hit my take profit, okay, but then the second entry, right, that I've highlighted, the second entry, market went in there, also entered the trade, and then my stop loss wasn't hit, so still in profit. We went up, hit my take profit area on the 13th of March, all right, at 4 p.m, which is great. And then let's play price. Now this is what happens next is really, really interesting to me, because the market creates a really visible double bottom that then shoots up, and the double bottom is literally drawn and created on, till now it literally creates a double bottom on the channel, on the support level of the channel, which is really, really interesting to me, because at some point I wasn't trading with channels. I don't want to trade with channels. I hated channels because I would literally limit myself based on these channels, and then the market would go beyond the channels. I just couldn't get channels right for I think about a year, 6 months. But recently I started using channels, and I've been using channels on the 4-hour chart. And I want you guys to also notice that I am looking at the 4-hour chart, okay? Also, when we made these predictions, they were on the 4-hour chart. And this is something that I did mention when I was doing my NFP, that I want to start looking at the 4-hour chart, especially when there's news. So, it's really, really amazing to see what has happened. So that will be all for this video. If you like this kind of content, please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before I end this vlog, I would just like to thank you all for the support that I received on my backtest with me video. I wasn't expecting those numbers. Thank you guys so much for that. I really, really appreciate it. In my next trading video, I actually have planned to answer some of the questions that people ask me, any tips that I got from my backtesting video. When I'm backtesting April, I'm going to be highlighting those. So subscribe to my YouTube channel for you if you guys want to see those. So stay tuned.